2017 GMC Terrain SLT all-wheel drive. Hi everybody, Carter Heiser, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota. We're the dealership without the outrageous hidden fees. Let me show you this beautiful onyx black Terrain. One owner, clear Carfax, passed the independent inspection with flying colors. We just put brand new tires on it. The interior is black. It's got the touchscreen navigation, the heated seats, power seats, remote starter. Just really nice and clean, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, you name it. We're going to buy you a 12-month, 12,000-mile powertrain warranty that's good nationwide. You can upgrade that very reasonably. But yeah, if you're looking for a nice low-mileage Terrain, only 74,000 miles on it, come and check it out. Great condition. Mechanically tip-top. Drive it anywhere. Seated Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota. AutoramaAuto.com.